Hi guys and welcome back in MedicalScribe. In this video we will talk about the circumduction term. The circumduction in fact is a complex term of movement. This movement will combine between more than one movement, in a way making the distal part of the moving structure to move in a circular pattern. So the circumduction will combine between the flexion, the abduction, the extension, and the adduction, all together, in order to perform this movement. And this movement can take place in all the joints that can make these four movements, like we have the shoulder joint or the hip joint. So let's apply what we said on the hip joint. In one word, we will make our foot to move in a circular pattern. But if we need to describe it according to the anatomical terms, we will firstly flex the hip joint so it will moving the leg anteriorly. Then we will abduct the hip, that will move the leg away from the midline of the body. After that, we will extend the hip, and this of course will moving the leg posteriorly. And finally, abduct the hip, which it will return the leg toward the midline of the body. And these four movements will occur sequentially. So all these movements together will make the foot to move in a circular pattern. And the sum of all these movements named as circumduction. So that was almost everything about the circumduction term. And that's it. I hope what I said makes sense. See you next video, and goodbye.